So all I'll do is I'll paste the link, paste and go. I'll click on save file. I'll click go to downloads. I'll click on open the file. I'll extract all files within the folder. I'll click on extract. All I'll do is I'll close the tabs just to have more of an oversight, and then I'll open the app. Once we see this, we click on more info and run anyway. And now what I'll do is I'll select a language which I like. But today I'll do English USA because that's my native language. And then I'll click on serial key. I will copy the serial key and I will paste it. And I'll click on continue. And we'll wait for the download to be complete. And then once it's complete, we will click on close. You'll go to the start menu. You can select Word, we can select Excel, we can select all the tools that will be provided. Today, I'll start off by clicking Word. Thanks very much for choosing us for your software